Welcome. In this module, we're going to talk about key leadership qualities which are required by the information security head who is going to lead the security transformation program. So let's examine the key leadership qualities of the information security head, or the key resource who is going to drive the entire program. And the leadership here is very important because the transformation is all about change. And change is very difficult to achieve if the leadership qualities are not there. So the 6 qualities that are shown on the screen are authenticity, candidness or openness, fairness and fair play, team environment, recognizing talent and hard work, and celebrating success. Let's take a look at each one. Authenticity. So IT has become very complex, and no single person can become a master of the entire broad, very deep, complex information technology and its implementation. No one person knows it all. No one person knows everything. It's all a teamwork, and different people specialize in different departments and areas. They come together, and then you have the strength. So it's important to communicate that each individual has limitations. The network person, network resource doesn't know about the systems, and the system resource doesn't know about the database, and the application resource doesn't know about maybe all the other areas. So the leader who's going to drive the program need to be transparent about the general complexity, and that each person in the team, including the consultant or the information security head, they need to let everybody know that, look, nobody knows everything, but we all know something. And if we come together as a team, then we're going to be powerful and we can do this together. So, and you need to give credit where it is due. Sometimes there are smart people and there are hardworking people. Sometimes junior people will raise very important points. You should always encourage people and give credit where it is due. So you need to be authentic, you need to be realistic. And people can see through the authenticity. They can, people are intelligent, and they can very easily recognize if a person, a leader, is authentic or not. If you're trying to build up a posture you know it all, and whatever I do, whatever I say, that's what we should do. You don't build up the credibility, and you cannot be successful in achieving a transformation because you don't earn the trust of people. Candidness or openness. You should call a spade a spade. You need to be very realistic. There's no time to waste in not recognizing the ground realities. There needs to be honesty and straight talk on the ground realities. And you need to hear feedback and give respect to views of everyone. Fairness and fair play. This is very important. There's a lot of team members, and whatever is fair and is in the interest of the organization, that is what needs to be done. And we need to promote performance and merit, and not personal preferences. We need to adjust players in the right positions. If there's a football match, you need to put the football players in the right positions. The people who are good at defense, they need to be put in the defense. The people who are good at running fast and are attackers, they need to be put in the front. So you have to place the players in the right positions. And then you need to coach and guide the team to perform and achieve results. There's always a coaching role which the leader needs to perform. And then you need to have a team environment. It needs to be a team play. We need to discourage solo flight. There's people in the team who want to project themselves and their own, they're the person who's doing all the work, and they want to, they play down the team success, and they tend to project themselves and promote themselves. So discourage solo flight, promote team consensus, team reviews, team achievements, team activities, and single out and coach individuals playing turf tactics, and this is my area, and who are trying to be opaque and are not allowing others to come and help, and are preventing team environment and team play. We need to recognize talent and hard work. So identify self-promotion, those solo flight type of people in the team versus talent. Those people who have talent and hard work, and they need a little bit of encouragement, and they will go out and do a fantastic job. And encourage hard workers who are team players all the time, and discourage solo flight activity. And finally, celebrate success. This is very important. The team culture and motivation starts building up when we start recognizing people. And that's a human psychology. It's always nice to bring in a cake and some drinks and some biscuits and cookies and have a party and take some pictures and send those to the organization newsletter and celebrate the success of the program. Give visibility, make people happy and proud of what has been done. And you're giving a very important signal here that if we do well, look, we're going to promote you, we're going to give you visibility, we're going to give you the credit. And that's a great human psychology, internal motivation. And that's the type of environment that you need to build up. So whole team celebrations, recognize quiet workers and background workers, and promote team achievements. Now, this is an information security course, and we're talking here about leadership qualities. But leadership qualities are very important to make the change happen. And as you get senior and as you get more experience, it's all about leadership. It's all about the team. And the leaders will focus on strategy, and they have the domain experience, and they know how to orchestrate the program. But all of these elements that were talked about in this module are extremely important to ensure that the security transformation project is going to be a great success. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.